How supermassive black holes are born. Supermassive black holes, both fascinating and terrifying. They are millions to billions of times more massive than our Sun and are found at the heart of almost every galaxy. But how do these cosmic giants form? What is a supermassive black hole? Supermassive black holes are enormous and insatiable. For instance, Sagittarius A asterisk, located at the center of our Milky Way, has a mass of 4 million suns. Their gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Theories of formation. Gradual growth. One theory suggests that supermassive black holes began as small black holes, gradually consuming surrounding matter over billions of years. Primordial black holes. These could have formed during the Big Bang from extremely dense regions of the early universe. Direct gas cloud collapse. Another theory proposes that giant gas clouds could have collapsed directly into supermassive black holes without becoming stars first. Growth and development. Supermassive black holes grow in two main ways. They consume gas and dust from their surroundings, often forming quasars, some of the brightest objects in the universe. They merge with other black holes during galaxy collisions, significantly increasing their mass. The formation and growth of supermassive black holes remain a great mystery. Every new discovery, however, brings us closer to understanding these cosmic giants. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.